Well, look what I got here. We'll have to see what it is and show you guys on Be Yourself Adventures. All right, the opening process will begin right now. Even my dog is curious what the heck this is. Anybody's guesses? The comments down below. Try not to skip forward. Let's check this out. Well, trying to get it out of the box, not the easiest job to do. All right, we're gonna keep going to find out where it is. I'm getting more and more curious. How about everybody else here with Be Yourself Adventures? We'll find out soon as I keep giving you little sneak peeks. Any guesses yet? Because I'm going to kind of toss that box aside. Wow. I guess we'll leave it at this. Maybe the next few videos I'll relieve? Really? Be yourself. I will show you what it is. No, I'm going to show you now. All right. The suspense is really, let's see here. And look to here. No. Look at that. I just got all strung up. We'll be right back. By the way, today's January 15th. And I am a little bit in shock, a little bit curious. Because I wasn't going to do a short vlog, but after this showed up, I figured I'm going to do a short vlog or just a short. All right, I'm going to turn around and show you guys what we got. It is an Ibanez acoustic electric guitar. But wait, there's more. Okay, are we happy? Yes, very happy. Is this a guitar? I think so. Is it left-handed? Of course, it's suited for a left-hander, which is myself. Well, this has been quite of a short adventure getting a new guitar, beautiful looking, by Ibanez. Yep, we is happy. We're very happy. All right, I'll see you guys soon in the next adventure. This vlog, I'm not going to try to go buy somebody else's. This is mine. This is done. Remember, always be yourself. With that, with a high note. With a high note. Well, the high note cannot do a high note right now. How about a low note? Again, always be yourself. Peace.